How to fix inverted colors on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, scroll down and go to the Smart Invert feature. Smart Invert reverses the colors of the display, except for images, media, and some apps that use dark color styles. Now, turn off the Smart Invert feature as shown. After that, make sure that the Classic Invert feature is turned off as well. Classic Invert reverses the colors of the display. Following these steps, you can also fix inverted colors on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.